Here I have one of the plates for the new semi-welded heat exchanger from Danfoss. Here we have an updated plate with another new features. One of the updates is the pattern on the plate. We have made this area here more efficient. We have also moved the welding below the gaskets. So we have the laser welding below the gaskets now instead of outside the gaskets. And here we have a better place to make the laser welding to increase the quality of the laser welding. Also the gaskets is updated. We have a bigger surface to make it more tight when we are assembling the heat exchanger. This does that we are not using glue when we are assembling the heat exchanger. So for service purpose, it's easier to change. Also the ring gasket here is chosen from what refrigerant is used, but also what oil is used in the refrigerant. And this is done to make a better sealing on the cooling system. The area between the ring gaskets and the main gaskets, we have the outlet in these two sides. So if we have any leakage from the refrigerant side, it will go outside and not going into the liquid side. Also the strength of the plates is updated. The area outside the gaskets is bigger, so we have a more stable plate. When the two plates is welded together and before assembled in the heat exchanger, each cassette is helium tested in the factory. Also the full heat exchanger is helium tested with the sampling and also pressure tested with water and dried out before shipped to the customers. If you want to learn more about the new semi-welded heat exchanger, you can visit the Danfoss homepage.